Let's go to page 76, vocabulary and listening. On this page, we're going to learn about adverbs. قیدها. Look at the sentences from the text on page 75. What are the sentences? She quickly became a successful actress. Sadly, the U.S. Navy didn't take her seriously. She worked very hard. Franklin's work went well. All these bold words are adverb. حالا ما کی adverb استفاده میکنیم؟ چه موقع قیدها رو توی جملات استفاده میکنیم؟ اگر دقت کنین تو تمام این جملات قیدها در توصیف فعل جمله استفاده شده. مثال اول She quickly became a successful actress. Quickly در رابطه با فعل جمله که became هستش استفاده شده. Sadly, the U.S. Navy didn't take her seriously. Seriously در مورد take هستش. Sadly هم که حالا متاسفانه ابتدای جمله استفاده شده. She worked very hard. Hard چطور کار کرد؟ Very hard. بسیار زیاد کار کرد. Franklin's work went well. کارش چطور پیش رفت؟ Went well. خوب پیش رفت. Grammar spot. Regular adverbs end in ly. قیدهای با قاعده با قانون regular adverbs تماما با ly تمام میشن. Like quickly, quietly, slowly, badly, carefully, and easily. Easy وای آخرش به آی تبدیل میشه. اینو دقت کنید. اما یه سری قیدهای بی قاعده هم داریم که تعدادشون انگشت شمارن خیلی کمن. مثل صفت good که قیدش میشه well. Go well. مثل صفت fast که قیدش میشه همون fast میشه drive fast. مثل صفت hard که قیدش دوباره همون hard میشه و گنتاب early and late. early و late هم بیقاعده هستن. Are the words in italics adjective or adverb؟ اینجا باید تصمیم بگیریم که آیا این کلمات صفت هستن یا قید هستن. گفتیم قیدها در توصیف فعل جمله استفاده میشن. اما صفت ها چطور؟ Adjectives describe the noun of the sentence. So, adjectives talk about nouns and adverbs talk about verbs. Like what? You're a bad boy. تو پسر بدی هستی. پسر بد. در مورد پسر داریم صحبت میکنیم. So bad is an adjective. I slept badly last night. در مورد slept که فعل جمله است داره صحبت میکنه. I slept badly. So badly is an adverb. We'll need to work quickly. How? چطور احتیاج کار کردن چطور باید باشه؟ Quickly. باید سریع کار بکنیم. پس quickly در مورد فعل جمله داره صحبت بکنه و adverb. Pat's a quick learner. What kind of learner is Pat? چه نوع learnerیه؟ چه نوع یادگیرنده یه دانش آموزیه؟ A quick learner. پس در مورد noun داریم صحبت میکنیم. Quick adjective. It's a hard life sometimes. در مورد زندگی داره صحبت میکنه. Life اینجا nounه. Hard is an adjective. I work hard and I play hard. من زیاد کار میکنم و زیاد تفریح میکنم. در مورد کار کردن و تفریح کردن صحبت میکنن. هر دوتا ورب هستن. پس hard تو این جمله هر دو hard ها adverb هستن. Match the verbs with the adverbs. There is often more than one possible answer. Speak English well or speak English fluently. Walk fast. Walk carefully. Walk just this. Drive easily. Drive fast. Drive well. Drive carefully. Win easily. Arrive late. Sing well. Sing easily. Work hard. For work fast, work well, work carefully, and yeah. Put the words in brackets into the correct place in the sentence. Sometimes more than one place is possible. We had a holiday in Greece. Terrible. Where should we put terrible? We had a terrible holiday in Greece. I lost my passport. Unfortunately, I lost my passport. I went to the British Embassy. Immediately. It was a drive because the traffic was bad. It was a long drive because the traffic was bad. Fortunately, Helen's a good driver. And she speaks Greek. She speaks Greek well, because well is an adverb, and adverb usually go after the verb that they are talking about. In question 5, you should complete the sentences with your own ideas. It started to rain. Fortunately, I had an umbrella, okay? I was shopping in the city center with Elaine. Unfortunately, it started to rain. I left my bag on the bus. Luckily, no one took it and I could get it. We went on a skiing holiday, sadly. Sadly, I broke my leg. I fell down and broke my leg. The email was from a stranger asking for my bank details. Obviously, it was a hacker. I was on the bus to work. Suddenly, I remembered I forgot my bag at home. I saw the accident happen. Immediately, I called 911. I woke up when I heard a noise downstairs. Slowly, I got out of the bed and tried to see where the noise was from. Look at this picture. Here, as you can see, there's a young man, and he is obviously scared. It seems that he has heard something from downstairs. He has heard a noise downstairs. And we should listen and see what he heard in the middle of the night. Let's listen.
7.7 Noises in the night.
It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. Suddenly, I woke up. I heard noises downstairs. I got out of bed silently and went slowly downstairs. There was a light on in the living room. I listened carefully. I could hear 2 men talking very quietly. They said something about the police. Burglars, I thought. Immediately, I ran back upstairs and phoned the police. Obviously, I was very frightened. Fortunately, the police came quickly. They opened the front door and went into the living room. Then they came upstairs to see me. "It's all right now, sir," they explained calmly. "We turned off the television for you."
In next question, you're gonna listen again and number the adverbs in the order that you hear. Let's listen.
7.7 Noises in the night.
It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. Suddenly, I woke up. I heard noises downstairs. I got out of bed silently and went slowly downstairs. There was a light on in the living room. I listened carefully. I could hear 2 men talking very quietly. They said something about the police. Burglars, I thought. Immediately, I ran back upstairs and phoned the police. Obviously, I was very frightened. Fortunately, the police came quickly. They opened the front door and went into the living room. Then they came upstairs to see me. "It's all right now, sir," they explained calmly. "We turned off the television for you."
حالا میخوام یه سری سوال از این داستان بپرسم که میتونین جواب سوالها رو با استفاده از ادورب هایی که توی خود داستان بوده و حتی با کمک گرفتن از صفحه 136 کتابتون تیپ اسکریپت 7.7 جوابش رو پیدا کنین. هدف این سوال ها اینه که بدونین جایگاه ادورب ها توی جمله کجاست. البته همه سوالام شامل ادورب نمیشه. سعی میکنم سوالای مختلف بپرسم. What time did he hear the noise? Where was the noise from? How did he get out of bed? How did he listen to the noise? What could he hear? How were the two men speaking? What did they say? Who did the man phone? Was he relaxed at that time? How did the policeman explain the story? What was the noise? In question 9, you should choose some adverbs from the box and use them to tell your partner about you or people you know. For example, I eat quickly. My sister sings well. I can drive carefully. I woke up early yesterday. I don't work hard, but I play hard. Can you write some sentences in the comment section?